Hi, I am Manish. Today I'm going to show you how to solve the shield cube. Shield cube is from Dainsheng, and it is very interesting and smooth puzzle. So it is shape mode of 3 by 3. uh, so I'll just show you the pieces. So this is centerpiece, and in this is the centerpiece. These are edge pieces, as these are the edge pieces, and these are corner pieces. So now we can see this is first layer. So edge, center, corner, 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 and corner. So first layer, second layer, and third layer. So first let us scramble it. Okay, so now it is scrambled properly. So like 3 by 3, normally we first start with cross and we fix the edges with the center. So first we align, in this case we'll have to align the centers of second layer also, because in this case second layer centers are square and it has only one color, wherein in this there are different colors and it is in a shape mode. So first we'll have to fix the align the second layer centers according to this. So let us say if this is purple, then here we have to align this purple side so that we can fix one edge piece over here. Now we have to fix one, align the red side, so this is also aligned. Now this is our center and these are our second layer centers. So now here we have to align black side like this. So this is also aligned and this is also aligned. So now let us first fix the edge pieces. So here it should be red. So we have one red piece over here. So first we'll take it out on third layer and then we'll try to fix this red side like this and bring it back. So now we can see this is fixed. Now we have to fix the black part. So first we'll have to see whether black, this one is, we have one black like this. So we'll see whether it can fix or not. So it is properly fixed. Now we have to fix the third edge piece, that is here. So first we'll bring it up this black side, and now we have one black that is here. Now we'll bring it down. So this is also fixed. Now last we have purple. We have to fix purple edge piece over here. So that is here. So first we'll have to bring this out on top layer, and now we will bring this up. So this purple part is up. Now we have to see whether this fixes it or not. So it fixes very well. So now we can see this is also fixed. So now we can see we have our cross, first cross is done. Now next step is to fix the corners. So here it should be purple, red, and gray. So it is already here, we have to just rotate it. So R U, R prime, U prime. It is like 3 by 3, R U, R prime, and u prime. So now we can see it is fixed. Here it should be black, purple and orange. So we need to find a piece which has black, purple and orange. So this is the same piece but it is rotated. So R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime R U R prime and U prime. So this is also fixed. Now third corner, so here it should be black and it will be a triangle because this is already, I mean you can, it is intuitive, you can make it out. So this is the black color corner piece which we need to fix here. So it is R U R prime and U prime. So this is also fixed. There will be or there could be one corner parity while solving top layer, because this gets fit into any side. It may be rotated, but that we will come to know once we fix the last layer corners. So that will come to it later. And now the last corner, that is red, black and green. So this is red, black and green corner. So R U R prime U prime. Now you can see this is also fixed. So our first layer, now you can see this first layer is done. Now next step is what we do is we fix the second layer edges. We normally swap the edges and fix it in second layer. So we'll do the same thing over here. So we have this green piece which will fix here. So we'll have to fix this edge piece over here. So it is U prime, sorry, U R U R I U I L I U I and L. So this is fixed. Now we have to fix this black. This is already there but it is flipped. So we'll have to first take it out and then we'll have to bring this back. So U R U R I U I L I U I and L. So it has come out. So now we have to see from which side, because this is on top, it is bigger portion, and in I mean here it is smaller portion. So we have to see, I think from this side it will fix. Now you can see from here, you can check whether it will fix from here or not. So it will fix from here. So from here to here we have to fix. So left to right. So U R U R I U I L I U I L. So this is fixed. Now I think all edges of second layer is fixed and our second layer is done. Now we are left with the last layer. Okay, so now we are left with this last layer, and we'll see whether, see, we can see two edges are already in place and two edges are uh, flipped. So it is something like this, wherein we will have two edges which are in place and two edges which are not. So in this case what we normally do is we do F R U R prime U prime F prime, and we will have one single line, horizontal line, I mean two edges opposite each other. We keep it like this and we will do again the same algorithm, F R U R prime U prime f prime, and our cross is done. So in this case also we will apply the same algorithm, but there is one more change. I'll just show you. Since it's a super cube, so we'll have to apply one more algorithm. So first we'll apply the 3 by 3 algorithm. That is this is our uh, reverse L. So these are two edges which are these are flipped, this is also flipped. So we'll start, this is our F, so this is our F. So keep your orientation clear. These are the solved edges, and this is our F, this is our R, this is our R. So F, R, U, R prime, U prime, and F prime. So we will have horizontal line like 3 by 3. So again we have to use the same algorithm of 3 by 3. So F, R, U, R prime, U prime, and F prime. So now you can see we have 1 and 2 edges which are adjacent to each other, and which seems uh, they are into correct place, but these two edges are not into their correct position. So what we'll do is we'll have to again use this algorithm from this side. So F, R, U, R prime, U prime, and F prime. So now we have to just rotate the pieces. So this is the right place of this piece, so we'll keep in front, and this 3 will rotate. So we'll use the same algorithm of edge rotation, that is R, U, R prime, U, R, 2U, and R prime. So now you can see our edges are placed correctly, and now the next step is to orient the first place the corners. So corners are placed properly, we have to just orient them correctly. So these two uh, corners needs to be oriented. So we'll use RIDI RD. So this is our R, so RIDI RD, RIDI RD. This is done. Now RIDI RD RIDI RD RIDI RD RIDI R and D. So now we can see our cube is solved. So if you have any query, you can message me. Thank you very much.